Hey, you guys. So I had such a hard time getting the transfer of my gift card refund to the original source, my credit card. And I looked all over the place, couldn't find a solution, an easy click solution on how to transfer my balance, my credit on my account. Uh, that was given to me after I returned my items. Um, to transfer it back to the credit card. So here's how you do it. You hover over here, which says hello and your name, accounts, and lists. And then you come down to customer service. Boom. All right. And then if you see this, go ahead and click help with something else. And then scroll down to payment, charges, and gift cards. You can put problem with a gift card, apply to wrong account, I need more help, and then start chatting now. So there we have it. I just spoke with someone at customer service through their chat option, and they understood my concern and are going to help process the refund to the original payment. And one by one, they will go ahead and request a transfer of the funds to the correct payment source. There you have it. I hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe. And please leave a comment. I would love to hear if it worked out for you. Bye bye.